Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on Zoom waiting room notification sounds. If you host Zoom meetings regularly, turning on notification sounds can be very helpful. It allows you to hear when someone enters the waiting room, so you can emit them more quickly without needing to constantly watch your screen. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find that setting in your Zoom account. To begin, go to the Zoom homepage in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, since these settings are managed from your account dashboard rather than inside an active meeting. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, look to the left-hand navigation area and click My Account. This will take you into the main account management section, where you can adjust personal and meeting-related settings. After that, scroll down through the page until you can see more of the account options. Depending on your screen size, some items may appear lower on the page, so take your time and continue scrolling until you find the section you need. Next, click Settings. This is where Zoom groups together many of the controls that affect how your meetings work, including audio alerts and participant entry options. Inside Settings, click the Meeting tab. This area contains the meeting-specific preferences for your account, so it's the right place to manage notifications related to participants joining and waiting to be admitted. From there, click In Meeting, Basic. This section includes common meeting features and alerts, including the option we're looking for today. Now scroll down through the In Meeting, Basic settings, and look for the sound notification option. Since there are several settings in this section, it may take a moment to locate it. Moving slowly can help you avoid skipping past it. When you find sound notification, click the toggle button to turn it on. Once enabled, Zoom can play a notification sound when there is activity related to participant entry, including the waiting room, depending on your account setup. After switching it on, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the change stays enabled. If Zoom shows any confirmation prompt, simply follow it to save or confirm the update. That's it. You've successfully turned on Zoom waiting room notification sounds. This small setting can make a big difference in helping you stay responsive during meetings, especially when you're multitasking as a host.